Welcome back, YouTube. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button and send a like this way. Today, I bought some shrimp. Shrimp man came over. He had a good price, so I'm going to de-head these. Just throw them in the freezer. I'm going to take the shrimp heads, make a little shrimp stock with it. Real easy to do and so worth it in the end. So I'm going to chop up a little bit of celery, half a bell pepper. You can chop them any way you want, it doesn't make a difference. These are all going to just give up flavor, they'll be thrown in the trash. And a little bit of parsley, some herb flavor in there. Alright, so we'll get this in a pot, dump the shrimp, and that was only 10 pounds of shrimp. These are pretty nice sized shrimp. Should get a good 6 quarts out of this. Bring it over, fill it up with some water, and get it cooking. Now, I'm not going to season the stock. I don't want to add salt, especially because I don't know what I'm going to add it to. And I might over season it if I do it now, or I might add something that I don't want in the dish that I'm going to use the stock in later. So we're going to set that on a low boil, barely simmer. You don't want a hard boil on this. You can scrape off that foam. If it bothers you, it doesn't bother me. I don't care if it's clear. It's not like I'm making an Asian soup or anything. But after 4 hours of barely simmer, it's more of a steep. It's all done. So I'm going to take this out, start straining it. Once in a colander, get the big pieces out, and I don't dump all the stock out. Leave that bottom stuff in there. You're going to get some dirt in there, sand. And then I'll strain it again through a finer sieve. And once I'm done with this, I'm just going to throw it in the fridge, let it cool, and the next day I'll divide it up into little 8 and 16 ounce containers. Well, it's that easy. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. If you haven't already, click that red button to subscribe, and make sure you ring that bell to get all the notifications for my next video.